Garfield Adventures.
That's me.
Stuffed in your face as usual.
I gotta have a good meal.
Garfield, you eat too much.
I am the lasagna master.
Why are you so fat?
I eat, John. It's what I do.
It's time to explode on OD.
Don't do it, Garfield. That's our pet dog, Odie.
Though I am too, but stuff him up. Time for a nap. I'm a cat that loves to snoop. I make Mondays. Give me some lasagna, it's what I need.
You're eating us out of house and home. Garfield.
Enough with the chit-chat, let's get some grub going.
Grub time.
Where are the 3 cheese pecans? Where are the taco shells? Where did all the hamburger helper go?
I ate toast food. I ate toast food.
I ate just food.
Ew! But who even cares, because now I can audition to be the local news reporter!
You're such a bad kitty. That's it. I had it with you. That does it. I'm done. That's the last straw. Garfield.
The next day.
Garfield, get out of the bed, you fat waste.
No, not taking any more chances.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. Make me some more lasagna, you slave, Johnny.
No!
Get up.
Fine. When? Shut up.
Garfield, what happened to my name? Explain yourself.
John, it wasn't me. It was Odie.
Persip Golf, tell me the truth.
I swear it was the dog. Now leave me alone.
Odie, come here. Did you eat my cake?
I enjoyed watching the Garfield show. I wonder what happens if Garfield called James. Oh, I mean, if Garfield calls John James.
James. That's right. Run like a little baby.